Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn skills section using keyword research, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your LinkedIn profile. Log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the Me icon at the top of your homepage. Click on View Profile from the drop-down menu. Locate the skills section on your profile. If you don't see it, you may need to click on Add Profile section. Select skills from the list of options. Next, take time to prepare your keyword research. Start by identifying your industry and your target audience. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to find relevant keywords. Look for terms that are gaining traction in your field. Pay attention to both general and niche-specific skills. Compile a list of keywords that resonate with your experience. Return to your LinkedIn profile and click on the pencil icon next to the skills section. In the text box, begin entering your keywords one by one. For each skill, choose the appropriate level of proficiency. LinkedIn allows you to endorse other skills. Consider adding skills that are endorsed by peers. Maintain clarity and avoid overstuffing your skills with too many keywords. Select relevant skills based on your keyword research. Ensure that your top 3 skills are the most important for your job goals. After adding your skills, save the changes. Now, review your profile as a whole to ensure the keywords fit naturally within your overall narrative. Make necessary adjustments to your summary or experience sections to incorporate relevant keywords, enhancing overall coherence. Consider reaching out to colleagues for endorsements on newly added skills. Engage with groups in discussions relevant to your industry to stay updated on trending skills. Regularly revisit your skills section to optimize it with new keywords as your career evolves. This approach will not only restore your skills section but also position you favorably within your professional network. By following these steps, you will enhance your visibility and opportunities on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.